The best exercises for weight loss. Best exercises for weight loss. Effective workouts to burn fat and get fit. If you're looking to shed extra pounds and achieve your weight loss goals, incorporating regular exercise into your routine is essential. Not only does exercise help you burn calories, but it also boosts your metabolism, increases muscle mass, and improves overall fitness. In this video, we will explore some of the best exercises for weight loss that can help you torch fat, build strength, and improve your cardiovascular health. High-intensity interval training. HIIT is a highly effective workout method for weight loss. It involves alternating between short bursts of intense exercise and brief recovery periods. This type of training keeps your heart rate elevated and maximizes calorie burn both during and after the workout. Examples of HIIT exercises include squat jumps, burpees, mountain climbers, and high knees. 2. Strength training. Strength training is essential for weight loss as it helps build lean muscle mass. The more muscle you have, the more calories you burn, even at rest. Incorporate exercises that target major muscle groups such as squats, lunges, deadlifts, push-ups, and rows. Aim to gradually increase the weight or resistance as your strength improves. 3. Cardiovascular exercises. Cardiovascular exercises are great for burning calories and improving cardiovascular health. Activities such as running, cycling, swimming, brisk walking, and jumping rope elevate your heart rate and increase your overall calorie expenditure. Aim for at least 150 minutes of moderate intensity cardio or 75 minutes of vigorous intensity cardio each week. 4. Circuit training. Circuit training combines strength training and cardiovascular exercises into a fast-paced, full-body workout. Set up a series of stations and move from one exercise to another with minimal rest in between. Include a mix of strength exercises, such as push-ups and squats, along with cardio exercises like jumping jacks and high knees. 5. Interval running. Interval running involves alternating between periods of fast-paced running and slower recovery jogs. This technique not only helps burn calories but also improves endurance and cardiovascular fitness. Start with a warm-up, then sprint for a set distance or time, followed by a recovery jog. Repeat the intervals for a challenging and effective workout. 6. Dance workouts. Dance workouts offer a fun and enjoyable way to burn calories and improve fitness. Whether it's Zumba, hip-hop, or ballet-inspired workouts, dancing engages your entire body, increases your heart rate, and improves coordination. Follow along with online dance classes or join group dance fitness sessions for an energetic and entertaining workout. 7. Yoga and Pilates. While not traditionally known for weight loss, yoga and Pilates can be valuable additions to your fitness routine. These practices help increase flexibility, improve core strength, and promote overall body awareness. Additionally, certain styles of yoga, such as power yoga or hot yoga, can provide a more intense cardiovascular workout. Incorporating a combination of high-intensity exercises, strength training, cardiovascular workouts, and enjoyable activities like dancing or yoga can help you achieve your weight loss goals. Remember to start at your fitness level and gradually increase the intensity and duration of your workouts. Stay consistent, listen to your body, and make exercise a sustainable and enjoyable part of your lifestyle for long-term success. The best exercises for weight loss. Losing weight can be a challenge, but it is possible with a combination of diet and exercise. Exercise is an important part of any weight loss plan, and there are many different exercises that can help you burn calories and lose weight. Some of the best exercises for weight loss include walking. Walking is a low-impact exercise that is easy on your joints and can be done anywhere. It is a great way to burn calories and improve your cardiovascular health. A brisk walk for 30 minutes can burn about 200 calories. Running. Running is a more intense form of cardio than walking, and it can burn more calories. However, it is also more demanding on your joints. A 30-minute run can burn about 300 calories. Cycling. Cycling is a great way to get some cardio without putting too much stress on your joints. It is also a great way to explore your surroundings. A 30-minute bike ride can burn about 250 calories. Swimming. Swimming is a low-impact exercise that is great for people of all fitness levels. It is also a great way to cool off on a hot day. A 30-minute swim can burn about 300 calories. Strength training. Strength training helps to build muscle, which can help you burn more calories at rest. It is also a great way to improve your overall health and fitness. Strength training exercises such as squats, lunges, and push-ups can burn about 100 to 150 calories per 30 minutes. It is important to choose an exercise that you enjoy and that you can stick with. If you find an exercise that you hate, you are less likely to stick with it, and you will not see the results you want. In addition to exercise, it is also important to eat a healthy diet and get enough sleep. These factors can also help you lose weight and improve your overall health.